Welcome back to another video. I'm your trader Sam, and right now we're going to talk about what has happened since the last update and what we can expect to happen here for Bitcoin. So in the last update, I was talking about getting in a long position here if we found some strength at this high here at 27,479. So this level has been acting as support and resistance. You can see we did initially get the reaction from this level. We lost that level. We then back tested it. And now it looks like we are trying to gain acceptance back above it for a sign of strength. But before we jump into this, guys, please remember, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. And you know what time it is. Smash that like and subscribe button right now. Go on, do it for the algorithm, guys. All right, now let's crack on. So we were previously talking about this $27,479 region, right? It would have actually been easier if price had come into our level down here where we have a lot of confluence with this golden pocket, this sloping trend line, and MPOC level. But it is what it is. Sometimes you just front run the zone and that can happen, right? So we made this local low down here at 27,287, and then we basically swing failed or failed auctioned off of that level, and now we are trying to gain acceptance back above 27,479. We need to be cautious here though, guys, because in the next coming hours, in about 3 hours or so, we do have some news coming out. It's currently 8:20 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time here. And at 11:15, we have the ADP non-farm employment change news, as well as the ISM services PMI at 1 a.m. This is all around the time that the New York session opens. And given that we haven't had too much price action in the last 24 hours, I am expecting us to see that significant move for Bitcoin, which will give us more clarity on where the price is likely headed. It's a bit of a tricky one because we do have this large harmonic pattern here, this bat pattern, and you can see it has been playing out quite nicely, and leg D would take us down to 4,114, where we do have this low that was put in on the 25th of May. However, guys, this is higher time frame, so we can get a significant move up here before coming down, and this is not guaranteed that this is going to play out as well. But nonetheless, this is something to watch. It's something to take note of, because when you do see a sign of strength for the ES, so if the ES were to come back up and claim this level here, well, then you will likely see a move to the upside for Bitcoin. The DXY has been getting rejected at this $107 level, and I'll just show you what that looks like on higher time frames. So this level here was just a lower high that was put in quite some time ago. But this level is being well respected for now. So if we do see, a good move to the downside here, then we could expect the ES to start pumping and Bitcoin as well. For my next trade, guys, personally, I am going to be waiting for price to come down and hit that level at 26,945, where we do have a lot of confluence. If we slightly front run that zone and hit this MPOC level at 27,090, I will not be interested in getting into that early long position. Of course, it is possible that from current price action, we could just see a sharp move to the upside. However, given the context that we do have this news coming out in the coming hours, coinciding with the New York Open, I would much prefer to wait for my level to be hit. So I'm going to be setting an alert here at 26,945. And I'll be waiting for that patiently. My take profit zones are going to be the same as what we did speak about yesterday, where we have 28,121. This has been a key level, and I am expecting turbulence when or if price does get up there. You can see that we do have confluence there. Also, we spoke about this monthly level up here at 29,225, where we do have numerous MPOC levels as well. We do have weekly and daily levels there as well. So that's definitely going to be key. And above that, we do have this zone up here with other monthly MPOC liquidity zone, etc. These lower highs, they create a zone where you do have a lot of stop losses, liquidity sat above them, right? And they do coincide with our other levels of confluence. So this is definitely going to be a zone that you want to be looking at if price does manage to get up there in the coming days and weeks. It's important to note, guys, given that we have made bullish market structure, because this last high that we made, it did clear 28,121. So you definitely want to be careful if you are looking to get into short positions. If you do get into short positions and you know what you're doing, for example, if we do get rejected up here at 28,121, you just want to be making sure that you are taking profits aggressively and protecting your position, because price can easily turn around and stop you out. So you just want to be making sure that you have everything covered. If you enjoy these updates and you want to see more of this live in the time, well, then you can check the link in the description below where we do give live updates to our Legends Discord community. So that is something that we do give exclusively to our members there, where they can come in and get live updates in the time to help them with their decision making. Our members are able to see the strategies that we're using as well as the entries that we often take on these trades. For example, we like to use alerts. So when our alerts start to go off, when price does come down to hit the levels that we do have marked out, we often jump online and update the community on what is going on. Also, guys, if you are looking for, in my opinion, the best exchange to do your trading on, I highly recommend Bybit. I use it myself. It has a very good user interface. There's great support there. You can claim up to $30,000 worth in bonuses by using this link right here. So take advantage of that while it's around. So that is it for this quick update on Bitcoin, guys. I just want to reiterate the fact that you don't need to be chasing any of these moves. You want to be waiting for your levels to be hit, where you have a much higher chance of success trading your plan and sticking to it. Don't get any FOMO by seeing these moves to the upside with low volume, because you need to take note that we have front ran these important levels that we do have down here at the 26,900, 27,000 region. So stay patient, plan your trade and trade your plan. That's it from me, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.